2, 1.
Hey guys, good morning. So I'm here because something terrifying. What are you laughing at?
You seem really nervous.
I am really nervous. Something terrifying is happening at the radio station right now, and ever since I went to RDA's building and they were talking about how haunted it is and stuff, I've been thinking like maybe this building is haunted too, so I'm hoping that we can catch this on video. I'm a little scared.
So you just went downstairs to get water.
Yeah.
And you came like running back upstairs.
I was like out of breath.
Freaking out.
Well, it's like I could start hearing it right here, but I knew it was coming from downstairs because this is the elevator.
All right.
Can you hear it?
I don't know if you guys can hear that. I can hear it.
It sounds like screaming.
Yeah, it sounds like there's like screaming coming from the pipes.
Or like growling or something weird like that.
Yeah.
So then we can start going downstairs and it just gets louder and louder and I'm like, what am I doing? Water's not that important. So I'm like,
Water is essential to life.
I don't care. I'm not getting killed today. That's what I'm saying.
All right.
I'm only 28. I have lots of life to live yet.
I almost fell down the stairs. That
Be
would not have
careful.
been good.
Watch that.
That would have actually been really funny.
Come with me! While we get killed downstairs in this creepy ass basement.
How old do you think our building is? It's got to be like 50 years old, right?
1,000,000 years old.
1,000,000 years
We're
old.
gonna leave this open because I don't care if it says closed.
Keep closed.
You
Uh-oh.
hear that?
It's getting louder.
Down here and I'm like, where is it coming from?
Where?
Conveniently enough. From there? Like, oh my god!
Danger, keep out. So if you've ever seen a horror movie, you see this sign and obviously you don't keep out, you go in.
No, you don't. You stay out. You don't go in. I did not go in there. I came down here with you for a reason.
What is it? It sounds like, I don't know.
Are you seriously gonna open that door?
Yeah, let's open the door, Sam.
What if it blows up or something? What if it's just equipment failure?
It's not gonna blow up.
Don't do it.
It's not gonna blow up.
No.